Good morning, everybody. Hey, I put these videos on here about every other day or so. I try to keep them about 10 minutes because I want you guys to be able to, grab yourself a cup of coffee, kick back, and watch a 10-minute video. Or maybe a little more, or maybe a little less. Whatever it is, I hope you enjoy it. This is part 5 of working on this motorcycle trailer. Started on it in 2017. We're going to turn it into a enclosed trailer, and we're trying to use all scrap metal that was given to me. Hope you enjoy this part 5. Back on the trailer, I'm going to film a little bit as I go. You seen we got them two done, and we got this back one done here too. Now this is not going to be, the bolts are not going to be permanent. I'm going to weld all this, but I got to move it over to the welder to do that. But that is sturdy. She's wiggling the whole thing. Plus, now we're going to bring a leg down. Oh, sun's in the way. We're going to bring a leg down. We got to frame in a door right here. So, got to do that. I got to measure over here, but that's all I'm going to do today. Anyway, hope you have your coffee. It'll be quite a few days before this video comes up. Still waiting on metal. Free is free. Have a great day, guys. Well, we're fighting rain. Yes, we are, but back on the trailer. Hey, this is all welded up now. I moved the trailer, as you can see. All these are welded together now. Pulled out the bolts, welded them up. Them are sturdy. That's the whole trailer shaking there. And by the time we get it all done, it will be real sturdy. You can see that the whole trailer's shaking. That one back there, once I get the cross braces on it, it'll be even more so. But here's the thing I wanted to tell you guys. Hey, if you've seen Crazy Dave's trailer, you've seen how he makes trailers. He covers them in signs. Now, what I would like to do with this one, with your guys' help, I would like to decorate this one with license plates. If you guys want to send me license plates, the old license plates, they don't have to be old ones or antique or nothing special, just from your state with your signature on them, and make sure you got permanent ink or something so it won't wash off. And I'm going to put them on this thing. I think I'm going to put them along the edge, down at the bottom, maybe up the corners. Depends on how many I get. But if I'll send you an address. If you don't know it, I'll send you an address so you can send them to me. I think that'll look cool. The trailer's red, white, and blue. I got an idea for the rest of this big side right here, but I'm going to need your help with them license plates because I don't want all Idaho ones on there. I got friends all over the world. That'd be cool. Good morning, everybody. It's another day. What I'm doing today in here in the shop is we're taking all these little pieces of metal from that bed frames, and we're cutting these down. We're going to make the braces. I'll show you that right now. But I think I got enough to do it all right there. This is the reason we are not working outside today. It's raining. What we're making is these braces right here. Now I've already got these put in. I used what I had, so that's what I used. The other ones, they're going to go on the next legs that go here and there. This one's going to be different because it's going to be a different height, totally different. We got all these made the other day, all but this one here. Got to figure that one out yet. But the reason why I'm using bed rails and scrap like this, well, it's good metal. Yeah, I mean, you figure that you get 200-pound people laying on that bed and it don't bend. I think it'll be okay making this. But the main reason I'm using it is price. This little batch of metal here that I bought the other day, that's $100 right there for that piece, right? Them pieces right there. That's it. $100. Don't go far when you buy metal. Now these pieces here, they're going to go up here. I got it drawn out one time, but I think I'm going to change my mind on it. Yeah, right there. See, going that way, down this way, all the way to the end, plus up on top, and that'll tie it all together nicely. So anyway, that's why I'm using scrap metal. That stuff is expensive. That's it for today. Let's get back in the shop. It's raining out here. Another cup of coffee, another day. Yeah. I had to quit welding. I got some more stuff to do. I got 4 more pieces to go on here. They will go up here. We got one at 4 foot, wherever that is, about here I think. It's marked on the other side. So we got one there, we got one up at the top, and this side will be done for strapping. Same thing on that side, but I need a welding tip, so I had to stop for that. It's let's see, I got to put some braces down here. I got things to do if it starts raining again, which it's that time of year. But man, she is getting sturdy, I'll tell you. When I get the other 4 straps up on there, 2 on each side, and I get these up here, that's where they'll go approximately. Sorry about the sunlight. One in the middle, one over 2 foot that way, 2 foot this way, then they will join up there. So that's it for today. There you go, another minute of what I've been up to, and I'm done. Tired, but it's coming along. It's afternoon. I'm drinking a Coke, not coffee. Had problems with the welder today, so that took up part of the day. Had to mow the yard today, get some leaves picked up. But it's 2 o'clock, which is 2 hours past my quitting time. And we got a little problem with this. It's a little crooked on one of those. So I'm going to, well, I'll fix that. Before I strap down the top, I will straighten that out. But all the sides are welded on. And really, the welder, it was my fault. It wasn't. The welder's doing great. I'm really pleased with the welds I'm getting. I really am. So I'm not even going to weld the outside. I did on these, and then now I got to grind them off to make everything fit right out there. So anyway, that's what I've done today. There'll be another short video when I get all these tied in. I'm not for sure. I'm still thinking on something on those. This one is tacked in there and tacked in back there just to keep the front straight with the back. So, but I'm done for today. I'm beat. I'm beat. Oh, this is how I did the center legs. Remember I said I was going to do them a little different. I made my own little mount, welded her on there, and put it in. And I think this is the one that needs to go over that way just a tad bit. I can fix that. And if I can't, who cares? It's my trailer. So that's all I'm going to throw on here today. 2 minutes of this. Probably one more video after this one. I'll probably get it done as far as I'm going to be able to get done on it. I got some little things to do over there. I'll show you that in the next video. So hang in here. Have a drink. Have a toddy. I forgot to mention that I did pre-drill all of these because I'm going to put rivets through there, and it's easier to drill it on the drill press than it is up there. Unfortunately, I'll have to drill these down here unless I do use screws, which is what I was going to do. But anyway, that's what else I got done today. Back to my toddy. Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, it's the day after, and I'm done with this thing right here, the trailer. I'm going to show you that right now. And there it is. Yeah, it's been a few days since I put all these videos on. What we got going on here, it's sturdy. I'll tell you that. Had to splice a few pieces together to make it work, but that ain't gonna matter. Watch. That whole thing is moving That is sturdy. And what we've done, I didn't drill holes here, and I should have. But I got the holes drilled up here so I can rivet it. So I might come back later and put some holes in here. I got them marked out. But from down here, put little braces down here. The metal will rivet right onto there, all the way along, up and over that. So that's all done. The reason I'm stopping is I'm out of metal supplies. I'm not buying no more. I'm getting ready to work on this RV over here. We're going to winterize it. I mean, it's already winterized it, but we're going to cover it up. I'm building a solar system for that garage over there. I mean, my shed. But I'm going to use it on here just to keep the battery up this winter. But we're done with this until we get more, some more metal. I'm not buying no more. I might buy the strapping because I don't want to have to piece the strapping together. But we got a frame in the back door here. It'll be that wide with sides like that, so I can get the bike in and out. And why these are hanging over is I don't know what I'm going to do back here yet. These can be cut off at any time. I went around and I painted as much of the metal as I could so it wouldn't rust any more than it has. Hey, hope you like this little build. I know some of you have been waiting since 2017 for me to get back on this. Well, I did. Now all I got to do is finish her off. So I'm going to have a link down here for all the videos, 1, 2, 3, and up to, this is number 5 or 6 video. You can go on there and check out when we first started building the garage, building it in the old garage. Just check it out and stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll get notified when we get back on it. Well, it'll be a while. Yeah, thank you guys for following. You know, do what this guy's going to tell you right now. I hope you had a cup of coffee. Hope you enjoyed that little video right there. Hey, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get a notification on all these videos coming up, and there's a lot of them. Hey, also, if you want to help out this channel a little bit, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. You get all the videos way earlier, plus there's a lot of bonus videos on there from all years back. Thanks for watching.